We're going to try to tackle these questions, the 2.5 questions. So I think I might have to do it in 2 videos, but we'll at least tackle the first ones and we'll see how that goes. So here's question 1 and 2. So can you add these numbers together? So 7 plus a negative 2. And I could draw this out, but here's 0 and I go out to 7. If I'm adding negative 2, I'm not going to go this direction I'm going to add negative 2, so I'm going backwards. That would take me backwards 2 places to 5. So another way to do this, if you're adding a negative, that's the same thing as subtracting. So it's 7 subtract 2, you get 5. So show the answer a couple ways. Now we have a mixed number multiplied by another mixed number. When we're multiplying a positive times a negative, we should understand that that answer is negative. So my final answer, I'm going to put a negative already in there. In order to multiply, when we multiply fractions, like 1/2 times 1/4, hopefully you guys do know too that a dot like that means multiply. So I do 1 times 1 and get 1, 2 times 4 and get 8. So we multiply across the top and across the bottom. However, we don't have these in this format, so we've got to go ahead and turn this into these mixed numbers into improper. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2. We have 8 over 3 multiplied by 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 1 more is 33 over 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. And then 8 times 33. Well, I don't know that in my head, but I actually 264. All right, so I'll double check that. 33 times 8. 8 times 3 is 4, or 24. And then 8 times 3 is another 24 plus the 2. It's 264. So now we have to divide that out to get our final answer. So how many 24s go into 264? That answer is 11. So this is negative 11. If you weren't sure how I did that, I did 24 times 10, that's 240. And if I'm at 240 and I add another 24, I'm going to be at 264. Let's just do the long division if you're still questioning how I did that. How many 24s go into 2? 0. How many 24s go into 26? 1. So we do 24 times 1. 26 minus 24 is 2. Bring down the 4. 24. How many 24s go into 24? 1. And that goes in perfectly, so we have nothing left over. The answer is 11. I put negative 11. If you remember, we put our negative sign here. It's negative 11 because we had a positive times a negative.